history has been the pursuit of a false god, the god of stability, the god of permanence, the god of the unchanging. And we've become just neurotic on this subject. People were just fed up with the 20th century by the time the atom bomb arrived. And what they wanted and what they had been promised by the New Deal Democrats was a paradise. Well, the only way you could deliver paradise in that political context was it had to be an ersatz paradise, a paradise of stucco and TV dinners and tube furniture. And that's what they got. They got an ersatz paradise, and then out of that come the discontent of their children, who see that howdy-doody and a water sprinkler on the front lawn doesn't feel like paradise, you know? And that is what has driven American society deeper and deeper into artificiality, is the need to supply this synthetic manufactured paradise. That's why the cult of the celebrity and the intense media saturation and all of this is diversion, divertisement, substitute for a life. That's why what get a life means is go get stoned, go get laid, go climb a mountain or kayak a river, but somehow take back your own authenticity from the people who are peddling you canned experience with laugh tracks, with caffeine augmentation, and so forth and so on. The real message of psychedelics, I think, is to reclaim experience and to trust yourself. Your perceptions are primary. Your feelings are correct. Everything must constellate out and make sense and parse with what you know. If you don't start from that assumption, then you are off-center to begin with. And the psychedelics will dissolve the cultural programming that has potentially made you a mark and restore your authenticity. And you know, that's what it's all about. Whether the only transformation in life is the personal dying that awaits each of us, or whether there is a grand opening and opportunity just ahead at the end of history. That's all, folks. The bottom line of this, from a feeling and a heart place, is that what's being said here is reclaim experience. Do not dwell in the mistakes of the past. Do not lose yourself in the castles of the future. And do not give your authenticity away to experts, gurus, government commissions, bosses, wives, mates. Take back your mind and your body and begin to engage with the fact that you are alive, you are going to die. Nobody knows what being alive is. Nobody knows what dying is. You're involved in a mysterious engagement where every living moment presents you with mystery, opportunity, and wonder. There is no mundane dimension, really. If you have the eyes to see it, it's all transcendental. And every object, a leaf, a bird, a pebble, everything leads back to the basic questions. Everything is the stone. I mean, the stone is present. It's a matter of you being present for the stone.